Black jamun, fruit of gods. Jamun, the highly nutritious, refreshing, and succulent fruit flooding the summer market, has immeasurable health benefits, commonly known as Java plum or Indian blackberry in English, jamun or jabul in Hindi, or Mahapala in Sanskrit, Navarpalam in Tamil, and Neerudu in Telugu. This juicy fruit holds a great significance in holistic treatment like Ayurvedic, Unani, and Chinese medicine. In fact, jamun found a special mention in Ramayana, and it's prized as a fruit of gods, as Lord Rama survived eating this berry during his 14 years of exile in the forest. Black palm nutrition fact: the low calorie summer fruit loaded with vitamin C, B family vitamins, and dietary fiber, iron, potassium, vitamin A, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and folic acid, and small amount of protein. Jamun has black plum health benefits. Skin health. Due to its androgen properties, jamun helps to protect the skin from blemishes, pimples, wrinkles, and acne. The vitamin C helps to purify the blood, leaving the skin radiant and glowing. The Journal of Food Chemistry suggests that antioxidant rich food helps treat many skin diseases. With plenty of vitamin A, vitamin E, and other antioxidants, jamun may help improve the appearance of skin by reducing the oxidative stress and lowering the inflammation levels. Diabetes. Jamun contain bioactive compounds, namely jambolin and jamboshine, that help in reduction of glucose level in blood by promoting the production of insulin. Jamun has long been used as a treatment for diabetes in Ayurvedic medicine. According to Ayurveda, jamun helps with diabetes management. Jamun reduces diabetic symptoms like frequent urination and thirst. Jamboshine, present in the jamun seed, slow down the amount of sugar released in blood and increase insulin levels. Heart health. Black plums are rich in potassium, which is an important nutrition for heart health. Eating jamuns help in managing blood pressure. It also help improve cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of jamun fruit or juice contains notable level of potassium, which is a vasodilator, which may help reduce your risk of high blood pressure and heart attacks. Digestive health. Jamuns are rich in fiber, helps to improve the function of digestive system. Jamun seeds can also be used as oral medicine to combat sores, inflammation, and ulcers in intestines. Jamun has digestive properties that help with stomach problems. It comes with the properties that reduce gas formation, thus helping with bloating and constipation. Jamun also has antacid properties that prevent the excess acid formation in stomach. Hence, it helps to treat indigestion issues, ulcer problems, and also promote the absorption of nutrients. Jamuns are rich in fiber, helps to improve the functions of digestive system. Weight loss. Jamun is not only low in calories but also rich in fiber content. It improves the digestion and increases the metabolism of body, satisfies hunger, and gives the feeling of stomach fullness. Being low in calories, jamun is a cherished addition to many weight loss diets. Plus, it's also a source of dietary fiber, so it helps to optimize digestion and keep you full as well. Dental health. The leaf of the fruit have antibacterial properties. You can dry the leaf and powder it and use it as a tooth powder. Jamun is beneficial for gums and teeth. Jamun is also used for oral hygiene. It's beneficial in strengthening teeth and gums. The antibacterial properties found in leaf of jamun helps prevent bleeding gums. The leaf of jamun fruit are dried and powdered and then used in form of tooth powder to strengthen the gums and teeth. The leaf of the fruit have antibacterial properties. You can dry the leaf and powder it and use it in your tooth powder. Fights cancer. Black plum has been known to have abundant antioxidant that inhibits the free radical activity in the body. This is noted by the study conducted in 2005. More recent researches published in 2011 has also found that the beneficial health properties of black plums also include anti-cancer preventive properties. So it is not only good at staving off cancer but may also as an aid when it comes to treating cancer. Boost immunity. Jamun has antibacterial, anti-infective and anti-malaria properties. The seed contains powerful antioxidant. The vitamin C content in fruit also helps to boost immunity. There is a good amount of vitamin C and other antioxidant in this fruit, which can help to stimulate the production of white blood cells and in turn increase the strength of immune system. Also, according to the journal Food Research, international black plums have antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties that keeps you protected from many diseases. Improves the circulation. The antioxidant enzyme in jamun extract are critical for production of hemoglobin, which the body needs to maintain healthy circulation and the delivery of oxygen and nutrition. Since jamun has loads of vitamin C and iron, it is helpful to increase the hemoglobin count. The iron content present in jamun work as a blood purifier as well. During the menstrual cycle, women face blood loss and hence the iron content is beneficial in such situation. It's great for individuals who suffer from jaundice and anemia due to the high iron content present in it. Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Buy jamuns and stay healthy. Thank you.